What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can run the Arduino IDE to program your Arduino board and chips using the Ubuntu Linux operating system. Here you can see my computer screen. Right now I am using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. If I go to my system and the about section, here you can see I am using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and here is my system details. Now let me show you how you can run Arduino IDE on this operating system. For this, open up any of your browser. In my case, I'm going to open Firefox. Then search here for Arduino IDE. Then go to this link, arduino.cc, this website. Scroll down. Then click here and select your operating system. In my case, I'm going to download the Linux app image. Then click on download. And now it's going to start downloading the Arduino IDE app image. It's going to take a while. So to run this Arduino IDE app image on your Ubuntu Linux operating system, you have to install one more package on your Ubuntu operating system, and that is libfuse. For this, you have to open up any of your terminal. Then first of all, make an update of your operating system packages. Type here sudo apt-y update and then sudo apt-y upgrade. Then press enter and type the root password, then press enter. Now this command is going to update the packages of your Ubuntu Linux operating system. Now to install the libfuse package, type this command sudo apt install libfuse 2, then press enter. I had already installed the libfuse packages. Now for 24.04 Ubuntu operating system, it's called libfuse 2 After installing that libfuse package, get back to browser and make sure it has been downloaded. Then go to downloads folder, and here you can see my Arduino IDE app image, this one. Now right click here, go to properties and make sure to enable execute as a program. Then just simply double click on it and it should run the Arduino IDE on your Ubuntu Linux operating system. Now you can easily use this Arduino IDE to program your Arduino boards and chips. But before starting it, you have to enable one more thing so that you can connect your Arduino board with the Arduino IDE from this option. For this, again, get back to browser, and now you have to bring this Arduino documentation page. Then from here, click on downloading and installing the Arduino IDE. Let's go down, and from here you have to add this rule to your etc edu rules files. Copy this path from here, get back to your terminal, and type here sudo nano and paste that path. Then press enter. Type the root password, then press enter. After that, again get back to browser and copy this text from here and paste it here. Then press Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X. Now you can close the terminal and your browser too. And also you have to restart your Arduino IDE. Close it, then again get back to downloads folder, double click on the Arduino IDE, and now let's try to connect a Arduino board to my PC using the USB cable. I have connected the board. Now go to select board, and here you can see the device is detected. And now from here you have to select the Arduino board model. But right now I did not install the package manager for my board. For that, it's not showing here now. So guys, like this you can easily set up Arduino IDE on your Ubuntu Linux machine. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.